Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the superstar Shah Rukh Khan life journey. During his life journey, he has struggled a lot to get stardom. So let's start. Shah Rukh Khan, often referred to as a king of Bollywood, has had a remarkable life journey. Born on November 2, 1965 in New Delhi, India, he has become one of the most influential and successful actors in the Indian film industry. Here is an overview of his life journey. First, we'll talk about his early life. Shah Rukh Khan was born to Mir Taj Muhammad Khan, the Latif Fatima in the middle class family. His father was a successful entrepreneur in the construction industry, while his mother was a magistrate. His education: Shah Rukh Khan attended Sant Columbus School in Delhi and later studied at a prestigious Hansraj College, where he pursued a degree in economics. He also attended the National School of Drama in Delhi briefly before pursuing a career in acting. Early into acting, Shah Rukh Khan began his acting career in the late 1980s with television shows like Fauzi in the year 1988 and Circus the year during 1989 to 1990s. This role marked his initial foray into the world of entertainment. Bollywood debut: Shah Rukh Khan made his Bollywood debut with the film Deewana in the year 1992, which earned him a Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut. This marked the beginning of his journey as a film actor. Rise of stardom: Shah Rukh Khan quickly gained popularity for his charismatic screen presence and versatile acting. He delivered several successful films in the year 1990s, including Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge in the year 1995 and Dil To Pagal Hai in the year 1997, solidifying his status as a leading Bollywood actor. His iconic role: Khan has portrayed a wide range of characters in his career, from romantic heroes to anti-heroes and action star. Some of his iconic roles including Raj Malhotra in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, Rahul Khanna in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and Don in the Don series. Entrepreneurship: apart from acting, Shah Rukh Khan has ventured into various business endeavors. He co-owns the Kolkata Knight Riders, a team in the Indian Premier League, short form IPL, and has invested in the film production companies like Red Chillies Entertainment. Now we'll talk about his awards and honors. Khan has won numerous awards, including several Filmfare Awards for Best Actor. He has also been honored with the Padma Shri, India's fourth highest civilian award, in recognition of his contribution to Indian cinema. Philanthropy: Shah Rukh Khan is involved in various philanthropic activities. He has supported causes related to child health, education, and disaster relief. He established Mir Foundation to provide support to acid attack survivors. Now we'll talk about his personal life. Shah Rukh Khan is married to Gaurikhan and they have 3 children: Aryan, Suhana, and Abram. Shah Rukh Khan's journey from his middle-class Delhi boy to a global superstar is a testament to his talent, hard work, and charisma. He remains one of the most beloved and influential figures in the Indian entertainment industry. That's all. If anything missing, kindly comment. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you all. Be careful of bad things and get success in your life as soon as possible. Thank you so much.